Okay, so here we are with my 650L. I just got this bike. It's 2017, and I've been reading a lot about the front sprocket. So I took the cover out, and I don't know if you can see that there's some movement there. Not as much, but there seems to be some. So I recently acquired a, oh, where did I put it? Fritzco 15 tooth sprocket, which I'm going to install now. I don't have a stand, so I did loosen the wheels, the wheel axle, and I don't think I loosened it enough, so I'm gonna have to look into that. Hopefully there's enough slack so that I can remove the chain from the sprocket and finally replace it. So we'll see. We'll remove these guys, 10mm bolts. Should have put the bike neutral, but here we are. It is my first time doing this, so be gentle in the comments. So this here is the retention clip. I should probably get a rag to put this on. That's fine, I'll clean the seat later. And it should come out. Right now, unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be enough slack to take it out. So give me a quick second and I'll deal with the wheel a little more. Okay, so I was able to fully disengage the adjuster here without removing the axle, and as you can see, the sprocket had enough slack, and here it is. This is the stock Honda. It has, for some reason, it has that rubber thing there. It's probably a noise suppression method, but I did notice that the chain runs on it, so you don't get a full engagement of the chain even if you wanted to. This sprocket looks like the leading edge is fairly worn. Here's the Fritzco one. The teeth look a lot better. So in looking at my sprocket, my counter shaft, it doesn't look too bad, so I'm hoping that'll work. At least this will likely extend the life of the counter shaft. There it goes in. Now let's put the retention clip in there. Got a little stuck. You know what, now that I think about it, I should probably lubricate that counter shaft. We'll be right back. So let's remove some of that grunt there. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this bike right after this. Yeah, some of you may say, why didn't I break the chain? But this particular chain doesn't have a master link easily accessible. I don't have a chain breaker that I can use, and I don't have a stand. I have one on order, one of those easy risers, which should make my life easier later on. I have one other bike that I do the service myself, even though I bought it new, but I don't have a dealer near me. The closest dealer is over 100 miles away, so I do the service myself. It's this one, a Himalayan, which is pretty good. It is a Cadillac compared to this prancing pony of a pig, but well, that looks much better. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease there. Some people advise against this. I feel that if anything, with the wider coverage of the Fritzco Sprocket, it'll probably minimize some of that wear for whatever. I'm very sorry my battery died on my GoPro, but there is the Fritzco Sprocket. There's some movement still. I adjusted the chain, so now a good cleaning and hopefully take it for a spin. But you know, the situation with the counter shaft is very expensive to repair, and even though this is a 2017 with only about 6,800 miles, I don't know if that play on that original sprocket was normal. Here's a close-up of the original, but if it was normal, then if not, then at least with the Fritzco, hopefully we can extend the life of this pony. Plan on keeping this one for quite some time. We're here in the Northeast. We don't get a lot of time to play with bikes, but as long as there's no snow, I ride. So we'll see what happens. Very good, guys. Hopefully this will be useful for someone, and hopefully we'll keep making some videos. Okay, take care. Ciao.